this is Kelly from The Way Home with Bits and Pieces, and today I'm going to be making chili. But first of all, I want to share something slightly comical. As we're preparing to do the video, my daughter does the editing, and I'm always concentrating, so it's very hard for me to smile sometimes. Well, anyway, my husband comes along and he trips, and I start laughing very hard. So my daughter tries to get a picture of me with a smile finally. So anyway, that's what happened, and I'm going to go ahead and do the chili. First of all, I turn my stove on, and I've been cooking my onions. I saute up my onions, and then I'm going to add, we're doing a chicken chili instead of the beef chili tonight. So this is my chicken, and it has been cooked somewhat, but I'm going to reheat it. I've cut it up into little pieces. I'm going to saute it just briefly. Okay. Now I've sauteed it up, and I'm going to put it in the pan. This is the chicken and the onions, the sauteed onions. And this recipe, there's not a specific recipe for that. There's a recipe with the ingredients, but as far as how much, you can use your own judgment for whatever size family you have, or for how many people that you're going to be serving. So this is kind of a small batch that I'm making. Now I've added my onions and my chicken, and now I'm going to add 3 cans of red kidney beans. And I add the juice along with it. That gives it a much better flavor. I prefer it this way, but you can use your own judgment. And now I'm going to add 2 cans of tomato. Now this is my mother's way of making it. She always added tomato soup to the chili, which gives it a slight sweeter taste. Now I'm going to stir that all together. Now because I only have 2 cans of tomato soup here, I thought I had more. I'm going to add a little bit of Prego, or not Prego, but Rinaldi sauce. I use Prego a lot, but my favorite is Rinaldi. And I will be adding water to this at the end. Now I have quite a few seasonings here, and what I'm going to do is add different seasonings, and you can use your own judgment. I put a little bit of garlic, a little bit of cumin. Now, like I say, there's no specific recipe for this. I'm putting black pepper. seasoning is the base seasoning, which has 7 different seasonings. And I'm just kind of using just a little. And something else I use, and it's just a touch of that, probably 1/4 of a teaspoon of nutmeg. And that gives it just a slight taste. And I'm using 1/2 cup of brown sugar. And also, I do not use a full container of chili mix. I only use, because we do not like it really spicy. So I just use about half a container of the chili mix. And then I'm going to pour about 12 ounces of water and stir it up. Now I will stir it until it thickens. And I will give it a also, I'm going to add a little mixed onion with it. Plus I sauteed onions. We love onions. And a touch of Himalayan pink salt. So it consists of lots of spices. I'm going to stir it till it thickens a little. Going to add just a little more of the sauce to thicken it up a little more. The chili is just about done. It looks delicious. And I'm going to shut it off and bring it to the table, and I'm going to taste test it with a little bowl of the chili and crackers. Hello, this is Kelly. I'm back from the way home, and I'm going to dish up a bowl of the chili. Now this is my finished product, and I'm going to taste test it. And I love shredded cheese on mine. And I'm going to taste test it and have a couple crackers with it. So come along and have a bite with me and have a bite of cracker. Oh, this is absolutely scrumptious. So thank you for watching. Come along and share, put your thumbs up, and God bless. And this is a blessing from the Lord. Thank you.